hire a personal assistant with the right methods? Numerous personal assistant hiring over the past years have been essential to the expansion and success of any business, and who have enabled entrepreneurs and executives to save just over 10 hours per week. However, a few others gave valuable insights that everyone has in mind each time they try to employ a new employee to assist team leaders. In addition, a personal assistant can be a huge contribution to your team and help you recover what would otherwise be valuable time lost. In this episode, we will share with you the recruiting process and metrics to help you find a personal assistant who is perfect fit for you. For more episodes, please like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. How to hire a personal assistant. To guarantee that duties are finished effectively and free up more time for you to concentrate on things that require your attention. A personal assistant hiring a full or part-time personal assistant could be a great idea. It might be daunting to find personal assistants, especially at first. Who can locate, who can fill the position? What attributes are necessary for them to help you succeed? The following advice will help you locate and recruit the ideal assistant. Decide first what you need. Knowing what kind of personal assistant can increase productivity in your business depends. Need assistance managing your social media accounts. Are you looking for project management assistance? You may get the ideal employee by being aware of personal assistant hiring services you require. Perform research. You will achieve the best results if you take the time to complete your research before deciding to use a service or make a purchase. It is now simpler than ever to obtain a thorough idea of what's available thanks to the internet abundance of useful web directories that provide thorough comparisons and objective assessments. If you want to find the best personal assistants in your region, you can also deal with upscale recruitment companies like Staff Factory. We are experts in matching companies with the ideal helpers for their requirements. Making the effort to complete your work can ultimately increase your confidence in whatever decision you make. Make a relatable job posting. Without a well-written and detailed job description, it will be difficult to attract the ideal individuals if you are utilizing the internet to interact with possible personal assistants. Your job ad must clearly outline the position's criteria and market for the opportunity to potential candidates. Examine applications, then create a list. You must evaluate each applicant on their merits as well as any preferences or requirements you may have while evaluating applications. These can be challenging and time-consuming procedure, but with careful thought, you choose a small pool of competent candidates to further assess during the interview stage. Plan interview times. Interviewing potential assistant is a crucial step in the employment process since it allows you to discover more about their characters, skill sets, and hobbies. When organizing your interview session, be sure to be ready by gathering references, having any necessary documents on hand in advance, and laying out a set of questions for your interviewers. Additionally, pay attention to the candidate's comments throughout the preliminary interview to identify the one who would be best match for the position. Personal assistant versus personal concierge. Sometimes people mix up personal assistants with personal concierges. They may have similar sounds, yet they serve quite different purposes. A personal assistant is a professional who helps someone with their everyday needs. This could require organizing the calendar, running errands, making travel arrangements, carrying out office tasks, answering phones, sending emails, and more. On the other hand, a personal concierge is the specialist who concentrates on offering their clients premium services. They frequently assist with event planning, making hotel or restaurant reservations, proposing events and services, handling unique tasks, and even shopping. The range of services offered is the primary distinction between the two jobs. A personal concierge might offer more specialized and luxury services that cater to the customer's unique needs, as opposed to the personal assistant who often does more conventional administrative or organizing work. It is crucial to keep in mind that if you work for a company as an executive assistant to someone in top management, your title will be probably executive assistant. Performance evaluation of the executive assistant. Remember to consider both the caliber of the work they do and their attitude towards their position when assessing your personal assistant's performance. Here are some pointers. Keep an eye on the caliber of work. Spend some time reviewing the assignments they have finished for you to make sure they meet your requirements. Watch how they interact. Pay close attention to the interactions your assistant has with you, the other employees, and the clients. When interacting with others, they should always be polite and professional. Provide constructive criticism regularly. Comment on their performance and suggest ways they might do better. Measure their productivity. Record the tasks that your personal assistant completes each day or each week. You may assess their degree of general productivity using this. You can make sure that your assistant continues to deliver outstanding services and is a valuable addition to your company by keeping an eye on their performance. In conclusion, when choosing your personal assistant, there are numerous factors to consider. The ideal personal assistant must be suitable for your personality and working style, in addition to possessing the abilities and credentials required for the position. You must also be able to afford their wages, and either a salary or hourly, and as well as any perks, of course, you have available for them. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.